Yo, what's good?
What's up, bro?
Where you at?
I'm pulling up right now.
Alright, bro, I'm coming outside.
I must have the superpowers. Last 223,000 hours, and it's cause I'm off of CC, and I'm off the Hennessy. And like your boy from Compton said, you know this ain't free.
I've been in this industry now for about 4 years, 3.5, 4 years. I've seen a lot of companies come and a lot of companies go. Actually, a lot more companies go than you would think. Business is hard, especially network marketing. I look for integrity. I look for transparency. I look for a long-term vision whenever I'm going to associate my name with something. There were some individuals that I worked with in Wealth Generators that left, that joined another company, and I said, hey, good luck. I wish you guys the best, but I already had an intuitional feeling of what was gonna happen, and it happened. These guys claim to make $100,000+ a month, but yet they're driving Honda Civics. The lifestyle does not match the income. Like, look at this lifestyle. It matches the income. You see me on the jets, you see me traveling the world, you see me living life on my own terms, and it's because I decided to associate my name with a company that I knew would have a check for me month after month and year after year. So with the new things coming out, the FX Simplifier, the algorithm, a lot of other great things that are coming, I just know that we're poised for massive growth. And if you want a long-term check and you want to live the lifestyle consistently, not just for a couple months, then have to go join a new company and another company and another company and be like bunny rabbits jumping around this industry, then we have a home for you, and it's called Wealth Generators.
Yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama, girl, not right now.